GFCI electrical outlets. Be sure that all electrical outlets that require GFCI protection actually have protection. This is a safety concern that is always pointed out in an inspection reports. Locations that should have functional GFCI outlets, all outlets serving the kitchen, countertops, bathrooms, and wet bars. In addition, outlets that are outside and in the garage should be GFCI protected. 2, smoke detectors. Another safety issue that is relatively inexpensive to fix is properly located and functional smoke detectors. So make sure, according to the International Residential Code, smoke detectors are required in each sleeping room, outside each separate sleeping area, and in the immediate vicinity of the bedrooms.